ChatGPT now makes videos? Testing Sora's creative limits. Hey everyone, today we're testing Sora in ChatGPT to see how well it can generate images and even videos just from simple prompts. Let's start. So go to the ChatGPT website, then click on the Sora option located in the left sidebar. When you open Sora, you'll be asked to enter your age. To set up your account, just type in your birth date. Once that's done, you're ready to explore Sora. Now let's dive into the prompts section, where you'll find several options to customize your creation. First, choose whether you want to generate an image or a video. Then, you can adjust settings like aspect ratio, variations, and presets. For this example, let's try a prompt like a child walking on the moon. To view the result, simply click on the My Media tab in the left sidebar and here it is. Pretty amazing, right? Now, let's try creating a video using a prompt. Just like with images, you can customize settings such as aspect ratio, variations, and presets. For this example, we'll use the prompt "a child walking on the moon." After setting it up, click the Create Video button. At this point, you'll be prompted to upgrade your plan, so to generate and access the video, a paid subscription is required. Thank you.